Hey beautiful family, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So I just wanted to say before we get started that if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then I am going to link in this video, throughout the video, some playlists for you guys to check out so that you can get to know me a little bit before you subscribe, because sometimes people are picky and, you know, I'm one of those people. So I get it. But, you know, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? So subscribe. Also, all of my social media is linked in the description box down below at all times in every single one of my videos. And if you guys have not noticed, my background is gone. Now, I did not scrap it. It is right behind you guys, but it was time for something new, something fresh, and I'm redoing my beauty room completely, and I'm probably going to vlog that process because I still don't know how I really want it set up yet. You know, I want it to be more of a home-like feeling. So let's get into some other things that have transpired. If you were not in my live stream and you just happened to see a name pop up, Kapri Kirchhofer, and you're like, what's going on? Who is this person? I didn't know I was subscribed to this person. Well, that is me. I am no longer Anna's Rants and Beauty. I am now Kapri Kirchhofer. And I did make a video, or I spoke about it in a live stream. Kirchhofer is my last name. That is my real last name. I have already doxed myself in a video before, so whatever, you know. That's that with that. Right now, I go by Kapri Kirchhofer. And you can call me Anna, you can call me Kapri, you can call me, you know, whatever you want, as long as it is nice. So there's that with the rebranding of my channel. I have also started a second channel, which I will link in the description. It's going to be in the description box for a long time, you guys. And if I can put a card up for it, I will put a card up for it, and it will be pinned in the comment section of this video. So, we talked about the background, we talked about the rebrand of my channel, and you know, I had been wanting to do it for a while, but I just wasn't sure, you know. You know, it's hard to put your face and your name out there, you know, but whatever. On my new channel, I am going to be sharing a lot more about my life with you guys. I am always going to do my real life shit rants on this channel, which are life updates. It's just my spin on a life update. It's what I choose to call it. I will always do those on this channel. However, I feel like I breached an area where I was sharing a little bit too much about my life, and I want this channel to just be specifically about beauty. And I did speak about that in my 2020 goals video. So I wanted to separate the two a little bit, you know. Like I said, still gonna share my life updates, but I'm not gonna get as deep. I just want to focus on beauty on this channel, and that is that with that. So let's get right into the actual basis of the reason that I'm making this video tonight. And that is, I did post on Twitter that I have been on this platform for almost 2 years. In August, it will be 2 years. And I have thus far done, from my calculations, 4 giveaways. But I am doing another giveaway. This will be my 5th giveaway on this channel. You see, the reason that I do giveaways is to give back to my subscribers that take the time out of their day to watch me and to like my videos, to comment my videos, and, you know, to just be a ride or die, ride or die supporter of mine. That is my way of giving back, is by doing occasional giveaways. So what I asked of people on Twitter was to share my channel to your girlfriend, your cousin, the boy that lives down the street. Share my channel to your loved ones, your friends, your acquaintances. I do want to grow. Who doesn't want to grow? I want to get into YouTube's algorithm. I love this channel. This channel is my baby, and you guys know that if you've been watching me for a long time. Part of how you are going to be able to win this giveaway is by sharing my channel, and I will get into that when I get into the rules for the giveaway, and that will be in a separate video, but I am announcing that yes, I am doing my 5th giveaway. Now, what I am going to be doing next on my channel is an unboxing. We're going to be doing an unboxing, and you guys, I have a full face of brand new products to try on this channel, and I am so excited to do so. So what I'm going to be doing next is explaining the giveaway, doing an unboxing, and then when I do my unboxing, I am going to show you what I am going to be giving away. Talked about the rebrand, talked about the giveaway, and I did kind of in the beginning of this video talk about my new channel. My new channel is just going to be a lot of deep shit, okay? Being a teenager, things that I've gone through. And when I do story times, they are so real and they are so visceral, and they bring things back, and I feel like I'm in the moment. So those are things that you are not going to want to miss, and they are going to be on my brand new channel. So if you are not yet subscribed to that channel, subscribe to that channel. Redoing the beauty room, going to be vlogging that, and let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in. If you're not interested in it, I'll put it on my 2nd channel. But I mean, you guys, the before and afters are gonna be absolutely insane. So the giveaway is actually in this box. So there's that. And we will go over, like I said in a video, the rules, how you can enter and how you can win my giveaway. But for now, all that I'm really asking of people is that you share my channel out. I have a passion for beauty that I've had since I was a little girl. And it sucks sometimes that the beauty community and the beauty space on YouTube is so oversaturated. But like I always say, that doesn't hinder me. That doesn't take my passion away from me. It makes me more motivated to get into YouTube's algorithm, to be noticed, to be heard, and to share my passions with you guys. So, Chatty Cathy's going to zip the lip, and I'm gonna get going. It is Friday. Gonna spend time with my husband in our marital bedroom, and yeah, That's it, you guys. If you liked this video, then like this video. It helps the channel out, and it does help me get into YouTube's oversaturated algorithm, especially in the beauty community. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And all of my social media is linked in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.